In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an API key in Airtable. We'll walk through creating a personal access token, which is the secure way Airtable lets other apps and scripts talk to your bases. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, how to set permissions, and what to watch out for. Start by opening your browser and going to airtable.com, then sign into your account. Once you're in, look to the top right corner and click your profile icon. That opens a menu with tools for your workspace. From this menu, choose Builder Hub. This is where Airtable groups developer features and settings. Inside the Builder Hub, find the section for personal access tokens. Open that page and then select Create Token. You're now on the token setup screen. Give your token a clear descriptive name so you'll recognize it later. A name like automation service or reporting pipeline makes it obvious what this key is used for. Next, add a scope. Scopes define what the token is allowed to do, such as reading records, writing records, or managing metadata. Pick the scopes that match your use case and only what you truly need. Keeping scopes narrow is a best practice because it limits risk if the token is ever exposed. After you've chosen scopes, select the resources the token can access. For a quick setup, click Add All Resources. This grants the token access across your workspaces, which is convenient for testing or broad integrations, but be mindful that it's wide open access. In production environments, it's usually best to restrict access to only the bases you need. When everything looks right, click Create Token. Airtable will generate the token and display it once. Treat it like a password. Keep it private, store it securely, and never share it publicly. If you suspect it's compromised, return to the tokens page to rotate or revoke it and create a new one. That's the full process from start to finish. Go to Airtable, open your profile menu, head into the Builder Hub, create a new personal access token, name it, add the right scopes, choose the resources, and finalize. You can now use this token to authenticate your apps, integrations, and scripts against the Airtable API. Thanks for following along. If you keep your permissions minimal and review tokens periodically, you'll maintain both flexibility and security as your Airtable projects grow.